lots happened this week. Here's the Intense 5. Tommy Lee breaks his silence. He says that he understands that the situation that caused his little girl to be shot was just a misunderstanding between two men. He says he doesn't plan to retaliate, even though that's what people expect.
The Fame Retro Party last Saturday. What a dance, bad. Big up to the Fame DJs and the Radio 1 DJs who had everyone dancing in their living room.
Yup. Tekashi 69 was released from prison but placed under house arrest to serve the last 4 months of his sentence because he has chronic asthma, and with the threat of coronavirus, they didn't want him at risk. His location, however, is unknown.
So what happens when you go on social media during curfew hours, cussing out the police and the Prime Minister and saying that you're unruly? This.
Wednesday, April 1st, I made a video that is disgraceful and demeaning. I want to apologize sincerely to the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness, to Jamaica and to the Jamaica Conservative Force.
And finally holding though, spot this week, Vybz Kartel is...
The Court of Appeal has upheld the convictions of dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel, Sean Campbell, Kahira Jones and Andre St. John for the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams.
That's it for the Intense 5 this week. We're sure there'll be lots more to put on the list next week, but make sure you keep checking our IG for the latest in entertainment news. Up next, Chrissy chats with Sanjay. Intense soon forward.